Hi, I'm Connie with Free Motion by the River, and today we are going to open up day 16 of the Advent calendars. This is from Missouri Star Quilt Company. It's $200 for it, and this one is from Soft Squares, Soft Squares, and it was $325, and I paid for both of them. So let's see. This is day 16 of Soft Squares. That's fabric. And this is day 16 from the Missouri Star Quilt Company. And if you notice, I finally put them in order for the days so I didn't have to dig through the boxes. So, okay, soft squares. This is day 16. The value of this is $36. So, okay. Oh, fabrics. Card. Day 16, here are 3 yards of coordinating fabric. You can add them to your stash or use them on a 3-yard quilt or other project. Everybody is getting something different. Okay, so I've got the green print. That's pretty. Here's a white background with tulips. Perfect for spring. And then this. Wondering if I got that in one of the fat quarters. I'm not sure. Something similar. But that's pretty. So that is 3 yards of fabric. Put in my stash. Day 16, soft squares. This is day 16 of Missouri Star Quilt Company. Let's see what's in here. A couple things. A little pin magnet. Holds pins and needles with a suction cup on it. Cute. This, oh, I've got one of these already. This is really cute. It goes on your wrist. I can open it. And I'm just go ahead and take that off. It's a magnet, and you slap it on your wrist. Then you can have your pins on there. That is cute. That's actually better than the one I have. That is cute. See that? I'll take a picture of it, show you better. That's really neat. So that was gifts from day 16 from Soft Square and Missouri Star Quilt Company. So I hope you enjoyed seeing them and you come back tomorrow for day 17. Thanks.